Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 and I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory. So you can start off by turning off the device, because even when it will do it on its own anyway. When you pull out the tray from here, and what you have right now is this little thing right here. Basically open that and pull it out. You also have this thing. Now I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be like that, because it seems fairly inconvenient to pull out, but just okay, as you can see, there's this thing. If you pull it out, you can put a memory card on this, so I'm gonna do that right now. You can see it fits in here. Now slide it back in, and here's the little tray for the SIM card. So I'm gonna grab one. Okay, make sure it's flush in the tray. If you put it the wrong way, it won't be flush. I'll just put it in here. And let's power back the device. And as you can see, you have a little reception bar in here and a memory card up there. And yeah, so that's how you put it in there. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.